cefnogaeth. Nid wyddwch faint ohono sydd ei angen arnoch, tan eich bod wir ei angen. Ond gwyddom ni. A dyna pham mae Hywel Dda yn cynnig un o'r rhaglenni tiwtoriaeth gorau yn y wlad. Gyda 12 mis o hyfforddiant, cynnydd, gyrfaol, cymorth gyda ail ddilysu, portffolio proffesiynol yn ogystal â goruchwiliaeth glinigol.
Our preceptorship programme is definitely a huge selling point for Hywel Dda University House Board, looking at, reminding them, why we're in the job, looking at all the qualities they've got and how they can take that forward and really use their skills and qualities as a nurse in the workplace.
Yr hyfforddiant gorau, gyfathrebu gorau, y gweithwyr proffesiynol gorau, y gorau yn eich cynorthwyo I ddychwelyd, I ymarfer.
The feedback I've had that our preceptorship programme is much more protected in relation to the time they're able to spend in the classroom, as well as having the access to the support of a qualified nurse for the 12 months.
And the best laughs. And when you need a break, there's always something to do. Because we all need support, and should you choose to join us, we'll be with you every step of the way.